Check. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give it another reaction. I got people long time when I see me though, but a good week and a half, probably a week when I see me, probably a week. Me decide to take a little break. You see me? So right now we're there, and Chip and Bugzy just drop a song. It's off Bugzy EP. Bugzy, I one of my favorite. Chip, I one of my favorite. So my two favorite them there together drop a song. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐄𝐓 drop. The song just dropped. I'm gonna react to it, and this is my quickest reaction like ever. My phone a ring. My brother call me for tell me say song drop, but me there already. So me see you call me dog, but me not answer brother. Call me a react right now. Me soon call you back. So we're gonna just jump straight tonight, cause Notorious, Bugzy, Malone featuring Chip. Notorious. Let's go, man. Yeah, let's go.
It's Luciano, Tony Soprano, come up like Pablo, not unlike Narcos.
Wait, I could have been one of the most notorious. This is a sample from Turbulence. Big up Turbulence, big Rasta, big up yourself. For those who don't know who Turbulence is, go and check him out. Turbulence, Notorious, go check him out. This is where Bugzy got the sample from. Big up Bugzy, my J, me see you do your research. Let's
Employed never got furloughed, lobster with Thermidor, word to San Carlo. I got the big white tiles, not marble. Walk in the room and I scan it like a barcode.
The man said, listen, I have the big white tiles, not marble. I walk in the room and I scan it like a barcode. You know the barcode thing? Beep, scan, bam, done. You done now, I must scan out him surroundings. Bugzy, pick up yourself.
Never catch me lacking, that's a no-no. They want me incarcerated like I'm an alpo. Godfather, young De Niro, I could've killed.
Yo, the man that name out all of the top dog, them in the brother. The man that name out all of the top, them want me incarcerating like pop. Yo, the man that name out all of the top dog, them. Bugzy, you always have to do them thing in your video, brother. You go too far, my G. You go too hard, my G. Yo, let's go, man.
Killed him with my bare hands and on a Draco. Man tried violate like I'm a tomato. Man, I saying calm down, me, I'm like, nah, bro. I'm on a turn switch when they by the door, bro.
Man say, man, I'ma try violate like I'm a tomato. Basically, man say, yo, una violate like some staff. Brother, me no soft. Me no pussy. Me no soft out here, brother. Man tough in the street. Man, I'm here, man a gorilla. I'm here, silverback thing. Where you think man a tomato? Think man a tomatoes? Think man a ketchup? I'm here, boy. Let's go.
I'm a heartbreaker, never been heartbroken. Kind of Darth Vader, I can get dark, let it bark, turn it up and let it bark.
The man said, listen, I'm a heartbreaker. Basically, him broke not for your sister them heart. Him broke your mother heart. Him broke your auntie heart. Him broke your female cousin them heart. The man not take no prisoners. The man not broke all of the girl them heart. Bugzy, we know that's not true. We know say you're engaged or you're married. We know say you have your day one chick a while on your back. So don't say that, Bugzy. Not agree with that. You're not heartbreaker. You lie, I tell. Let's go, Bugs. Let's go.
They stupid. It was all a dream, now I feel. Back then I needed a deal. Now I'm on a lead in the field.
Man say, yo, I'm gonna put a lead in the field. And I lie. Anything Bugzy drop a fire. Anything Chip drop a fire. And if you have the two of them on same track, oh God, girl, you look beautiful, by the way. You look very beautiful. I like what I see. Girl, you look hotter than summer in Egypt. Girl, I want to live in your belly for 9 months. Girl, can I be your baby father? Girl, could you be my baby mother? Girl, let's go.
Me on the telly. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐎𝐓. Can't be no John Niggas jumping out their prams going crazy.
Wait. Oh, the next general for jumping, I'm gonna stop it. So first of all, I'm gonna talk about a girl a shape. Baby, you're shaped like an hourglass. From the hour to the moon. Welcome, the days of our life. Girl, me like your red suit. Girl, me like your red shoes. You are leading. You are up front like a front passenger seat in a car. You are up front like the bonnet on a car. Baby, you are up front. I like it. Pum pum fat too. Pum pum fat.
Oh my God. Why would you say that out loud?
Let's go now, chick.
Can't be no John Niggas jumping out their prams going crazy. I'll be like, it's all good, baby. They wanna
Them boy out there throw tantrums. Them boy are throw tantrum, Chip. Chip, me know you watch a reactions video again in the dark because me know you watch it, you deal it up with me, I deal it and you post it back, you know. Big up yourself, you know, Chip. Chip, big up your bumper clot self, Chip. Yeah, me J. Try know that, me J. Let's go.
Wanna see me laid out, bloody bleeding. Go tell them that I'm covered by the blood of Jesus. Hallelujah when I'm squeezing, with the weed that.
Yo, the man said, enough of them here to you want to see me laid out. And I'm bleeding. Pussy, that will never happen. Me covered. My granny pray for me. My mother pray for me. My friend them pray. My real friend them pray for me. You see me? Me pray for myself. You see me? I'm a God bless youth. My heart good, my heart clean like Jesus police record. Let's go.
The flows will come water, tell me what's the deep end. See, it's time to show maturity and do it for the city. So me and B ain't ever going out like Pac and Biggie.
Yo, if you think about them two, you used to worry each other when them just bust. Well, when Bugzy just a foul in the game, him and Chip used to have a thing. That was a mad thing. That was a mad thing. And me glad to see the unity, brother. Me glad to see the two man them live like brother now, dog. That is how powerful music is, you know. Because if it wasn't for music, these two wouldn't be linking. Guys, don't have to give it to them, you know. The man them grow up down and loud for them beef, but if Stormzy run up and say Chip I go clipping wing. Yeah. But that is the next story. Let's go.
R.I.P. me, I resurrected, I guess. Lit when I step, pen go slit at your neck. Yeah. I was speaking to my dogs, Dr. Doolittle, just convincing them there's nothing they should do to you.
Pull up that hard there. The man said I was speaking to my dog, Dr. Doolittle. Let's go.
Yeah. I was speaking to my dogs, Dr. Doolittle, just convincing them there's nothing they should do to you. A lot could change in 5 years. Me and Bugzy right here. It's been a decade and a half, motherfucker.
A lot could change in 5 years. It's been a decade and a half. I'm still there. 15 years, man, still I run it. Listen, the man said, basically, when you violate, I don't know how you talk this up. When you violate, and me have to convince me dog them say, yo, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Make him go on. Time will catch up on him. Karma is a bitch. Let's go, Chip.
Notorious son, notorious one. I told Bugzy I'll retire when I start losing my head. What, you stupid? Man, nigga.
Man say, yo, me gonna tell Bugzy, listen, me tell Bugzy say me gonna retire when time I stop. When time I start lose my ear. No, look on Chip earline.
A lot could change in 5 years. Me and Bugzy right here. It's been a decade and a half, motherfucker. I'm here. Glory.
Wait. More and catch a spot with Chip earline. Cause Chip I take the piss.
Son, notorious one. I told Bugzy I'll retire when I start losing my head.
Look on Chip earline. Tell me if Chip have any chance in the world of losing him earline. Listen to me. You have more chance in winning the Euro Millions or the Lotto than Chip losing his earline. So that means he never will retire. That will never happen. So take that out of your dirty mind. The boss now gone away. The boss is here to stay. Chip can never run out of bars.
My nigga, you stupid. It was all a dream, now I feel. I never needed a deal. But I took one like, fuck how you feel.
The man say, yo, I never needed a deal, but guess what? I just took one anyway because it was handed on a plate. So why not? More money in my pocket. Because I know I can deliver upon the deal. And I'm tono. Man could have been independent if they want to, but I just run with the deal same way. Yo, let's go, bro.
Nigga independent getting money. Pussy, you ain't gully for the gully. Yeah.
Listen to me. Man, nigga in the pen and still getting money. Nigga in the prison and still getting money. Pussy, you're not gully for the gully. Water. My chest a fry. Ooh, let's go.
Are they stupid? It was all a dream, now I feel. Back then I needed a deal. Now I'm on a lead in the field.
I know. Them two youth, yeah, you have to give it to them, brother. You have to give it to them. I never expect to see a collab like this from them. You have to give it to them. Whether you like them or not, you have to give it to them. That's all I say. Whether you rate the song or not, you have to give it to them. And there will be no reason why you don't rate the song unless you are a hater. You are a hater. You need some Gatorade. Let's go.
Yeah, that's me on the telly. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐎𝐈𝐎𝐍. Can't be no jungle.
One thing I want to say. If me get the sample wrong, tell me. But the only place me hear the sample is Turbulence. I could have been anonymous, not to. That is the only place me hear the sample. So if me get the sample wrong, please let me know if somebody sing it as well. If an next person said this line as well. You see me? Let's go.
Hail Mary, drop it on 16 to make the gunman lean. I'm looking at the Rolls Royce with the big 23s and the statue on the front. How you mean?
Man say, you make a gun boy lean, you know that? Gun lean. Man say, make a gun boy lean in a brother. The man I tell a rich car, man look pan in a dog. The man I tell a rich car, brother, it's not a Vauxhall Corsa. Big up people with them Vauxhall Corsa. Nothing wrong with it, but it's not on Bugzy level. A Rolls Royce and Bentley, the man they drive. Just try know that. Me just tell you that. You understand? Let's go.
Cash motto. Yeah, man, I set in a pace they can't follow. Anything they say from now will sound hollow. And that's cause they're watching, man, we're on oboe.
Anything them boy I say, it don't really matter to me. It allow. Got you one and fly to the next one. Me not care what them say. Them boy on the power level. We are lead, brother. Them a watch me, brother. Them a watch me pan up.
Watch me, them a pre me, them a chat me. Long before Twitter, man were at me. Yeah, see it. Chippy, I don't need no one to bat me. I was on the television when it wasn't flat screen.
Yeah, boy, I'm okay. Chip, move your bumbo cloth. I'm saying that, Chip. That me I tell you the dog. Brother, every time you drop in the little dance, the little Jamaican style that you, brother, me just have to smile, dog. Me appreciate it, brother.
At me, yeah, see
Let's
it.
go.
You know what to bat me. I was on the television when it wasn't flat screen. Off the ends, I'm hardly in the city, boy. But can't deny what I done for my city, boy.
Yeah, although me all in my city, you cannot deny what me do for my city. I wonder if you hear what the man I say. I wonder if somebody wanna say he's lying. I wonder if somebody wanna dare put in a track that Chip is lying. Because me really want to see Chip pen at work. Me really want to see Chip deal with somebody wicked. Crab it. Me really want to see it. So I wonder if one of you want to say I'd lie Chip tell, make Chip get vexed. And Chip lick. Boom. Eh? Who want to say that? That me want to ask you. Which one of you want bright up on a dog thinking self?
And 2 chains on my team, boy. Youngins back then, now we the bigger boys.
Are they stupid? It was all a dream, now I feel.
Youngins back then, now we're the bigger boy. I don't think that is a shade at Youngin. That is not a shade at Youngin, I don't think. He wouldn't have no reason to, would he? He wouldn't have no reason to. Yo, them two your power.
Then I needed a deal. Now I'm on a lead in the field. Yeah, that's me.
Yo, a full length of the video will be in the description. I saw me do things over here, so if you don't like it, just keep it moving. I break down stuff and react at the same time. You understand? So if you don't like it, don't bother come in the comment section with no negativity. I will block you. That me I tell you. Oh, me not white you, me I go black you. Oh, let's go.
He on the telly. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃 can't be no John Goy.
Definitely that this is the sample that I'm talking about. Turbulence, Notorious. Definitely. Yo, people, love them or hate them, you have to give them props. Love these two or hate these two, you have to give them credit where credit is due. Cause them two guys have been doing it. Them a do it, dog. Them a do it, brother. Chip never fall off. Bugzy never fall off. I don't care who is your favorite driller now or who is your favorite rapper now, but them two you do it, you have to give it to them. Them still a do it. 15 years Chip I did it from high school, from school. You have to yo. Chip goes up. Bugzy goes up. Yeah, that drop. Yo, these two, bro. See there? People, go out and cop the man thing. See there. Go out and order the man thing. Pre-order now, Virgin. February. Yo, me can't wait for this drop, you know. Me can't wait for this drop. Me seriously can't wait for this drop. Yo, guys. This me enjoy the reaction there. If you guys enjoy the reaction, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe around here if you're new. Chip, big up your friggin' self, because me know you've been watching reaction, because you set it in your daily duppy and you repost my video. So big up yourself. Bugzy, you're yet to repost one of my video. Bugzy, youth. Bugzy, you see me here put in the work? You better repost. I joke, Bugzy. Big up yourself, CMMG. Big up yourself, CMMG. You see me? Yeah, Bugzy. Do it for the 0161. Guys, this is where I'm going to end the reaction here. So if you like it, like me said, just like it. You know? Peace.